I don't know about you, but when spring rolls around, I can't wait to see spring bulbs. Just look at these gorgeous hyacinths. I love to use them around the house in many ways and in lots of different types of containers. And what a fragrance on these hyacinths. They're wonderful to have around. But let me show you a smaller version of the hyacinth, one that I think has equal charm. Let me introduce you to the grape hyacinth, or muscari. Now, they're not as bold and big, they're the little cousins, but just look at them. Aren't they adorable? And these little flowers have a slight fragrance to them. Now, when I plant them, I plant a lot of them. The bulbs are small. So for instance, in a container like this, I planted 100 bulbs. And after they finish blooming, and I've enjoyed them out here on the porch, I'll take them out into the garden and plant them while the foliage is still green. And guess what? They'll come back next year and bloom again outdoors. You can see I've got these double sort of tobacco colored pots with them in it. And look at this low terracotta pot. Here I used 25 bulbs, and each of these I planted 35. Small bulbs, big impact when you plant them en masse like this. Now, if you get into growing some muscari or grape hyacinths, they also come in different colors. Some are darker purple. There's one that's a pale blue, which is very nice, and even a white one.